6 unique methods for overcoming procrastination for success. Have you ever heard the saying, "I'm going to stop procrastinating tomorrow"? This is a truism that everyone can understand because everyone procrastinates. But how do you overcome this human tendency to put things off until tomorrow? There are a lot of methods out there, and some gurus spend their entire lives teaching you how to stop procrastinating. But these 6 unusual techniques will go a long way towards helping you overcome procrastination in your life and getting things accomplished. Technique 1. Give time rewards. Give yourself a break as a reward. Work for 30 minutes and then give yourself a break, or however you want to structure it. Technique 2. Give other rewards. You don't have to just give yourself time rewards either. You can actually motivate yourself pretty well and overcome procrastination by using food, shopping, or fun activities. Technique 3. Use a motivator. If you know someone who you respect and has had success of their own, try to convince them to coach you daily or weekly. You may have more motivation to overcome your procrastination tendencies if you know that you're going to be reporting to them. Technique 4. Look at past progress. On days that you don't feel like doing something, and when you are fighting just to get the smallest tasks done, you can often motivate yourself by looking how far you have come. If you have tracked your progress up to that point, you can look back and be motivated to continue. Technique 5. Set a punishment. If you want to overcome procrastination and your rewards aren't motivating you, then perhaps a punishment reward may help you stay focused instead. Punishment rewards like having to do push-ups, putting money that you were going to spend on something fun into a boring savings account instead, or having something healthy for dinner instead of the pizza that you had your heart set on may give you the motivation that you need. Technique 6. Change your environment. If you are having trouble exercising, dieting, working on an online business, or any other task that you have set for yourself, perhaps your location is the problem. A location where you have had failures in the past may suck out your motivation, and sometimes going to a coffee shop or even another room in the house can help you get more done.